Hi friends, it's Laura over at Hello Cute Crafts, and I actually received my first request from a subscriber. She just received the Cricut Joy for Christmas and wanted to know how to make a card. So this is one of my favorite reasons for the Cricut Joy. It makes making cards so easy. So let's go ahead and start the process, and I'll show you how to make one today. Okay friends, so I have the Cricut Joy app up on my iPad, and this is the front screen. So this is what you first see when you open up the application. You're going to go to Insert Cards, and as you can see there are a ton of cute designs that you can choose from in Design Space. I have a specific one that I want to do today that I already showed you. This one is BFF. So I already searched it and found it, and there it is. So I'm going to click on it, and this is the card. So we're going to start making, and then you're going to choose your card size. This one only has one option, but we do also offer I think 2 other sizes for the card stock that you purchase at your local craft store. So you're going to hit next. And this is what the card's going to look like. It's going to be a 4 1/4 inch by 5 1/2 inch card. You can specify your color, however, I'm just choosing random cardstock, so you'll have the card itself and then an insert that's going to go inside after it's been cut. So we'll go ahead and hit next. So the material is the cardstock. I am going to put it on a card mat, and this is another reason I love the Cricut Joy, because you just trust me, you'll see in a moment. So we're going to put it on the card mat. The material size is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. We're going to use the Cricut Joy pen, and then we're going to make it. So you just follow the instructions. We're going to prep and load the card mat. So what makes this card mat amazing is you simply stick the card like so, and then you just fold it over, and then it has adhesive on the mat that keeps the card on the mat. Let me just do it over here to make sure it's on there. And then you just stick it in the Cricut. It's going to give us more instructions. So we're going to insert the pen first. So it's going to draw everything and then it will cut. So you just put in the pen like this and you'll snap it in and then hit go. Oh, you can't see that. Hold on. Now it's telling us to remove the pen and insert the blade. So the Cricut Joy has its own little blade. Just put it in here like this, close it up, follow the instructions. After you've installed the blade, then you hit go. And then it'll continue cutting. Okay, it's complete. So now you'll hit the unload button. And you are done. The next step is going to be to take the card off and prepare it. So you're going to want to peel the card off of the mat. And what you will have is some cuts and drawings. So now we need to weed out the cuts. Okay, so you see that it's all out. Little piece here. Hold on. Okay, so it's all cut out. So the next thing we're going to do is put in the insert in each corner. And again, Cricut offers card packs that have various colors and designs. You can make your own cards this easy. And there you have it. Super cute, right? Comes with envelopes too. So we are ready to send our card to our BFF. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Again, any suggestions on tutorials that you want to see in the future, please feel free to suggest it in the comments or contact me. And thanks again for watching, and hope you subscribe and like. Take care, friends.